Hey everyone, this is what we're going to be making today. This is a small mason jar type ornament, perfect for farmhouse Christmas trees and log cabin decor, country, just really something cute. This is so fun and simple, just a great little project, and it is very cost effective, and I'm going to show you how we do it. These are the supplies we'll need. These are some of the foam berries from Dollar Tree. These are just some hemp and some jute cord. I'm not sure which one I'll use yet, one of those. And then I have a scrap of burlap, a hot glue gun. These are the ornaments, which are the focal point. They are $1.98 for a set of 4 at Walmart. They have nice glittered antlers, and the deer a little greenery and a bell. We have mason jar lids and a pair of scissors. We're going to prepare the jar lid and the burlap. What you want to do is just cut off a small piece. And to get this, where you can cut off any excess and have a fairly clean back, you want to pop that in place and let that kind of make a mark around it, like so. And then you're just going to trim around that. Pop that into place, and you're not going to have very little around back. If you want to cover this, you could cover it with a piece of felt or fabric, but for me that's going to work just fine. You can glue this down if you want to, but it holds fairly tight, so there's really no need to. And the next thing, we're going to take our ornament and we'll go ahead and cut this. Okay, we're gonna figure out exactly where we want this, and then we're gonna glue that down. Okay, I've taken 3 of these berries, and a lot of times you can have a little bit of chippiness to it where some of the white foam is showing through, so all you have to do is take a red marker or some red craft paint and just touch up those areas. That's what I did there. So we're going to attach those. 3 fingers. Wrap this around a few times. Take a small piece here and we'll tie it around the center. I'm going to take this piece now and tie it around. So here's our finished ornament, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. It is super cute. Still, you can hear the little jingle and the jingle bell there. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but the way the glitter is on the antlers, that's going to be so cute on the Christmas tree with the lights blinking on it. in case you can't find the deer ornaments, or in case you can't or don't want to make them for some reason, I will have a few of these available in my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description, and if you'd rather buy them than make them, feel free to check there and see if I have any left. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be doing more of these kind of things. I love doing it, and so many of you have asked over on my Facebook page. So I wanted to start doing these a little bit for you. So thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful day.